My installations, Memory Boats, Community Reflections, are poetic imaginings upon the interplay of how memory impacts a community's sense of identity and place. These site-specific installations were created for the city of Upper Arlington, with the hopes of engaging the public in interactive ways. The two installations in the public parks ask the viewer to ponder and move into a state of reverie, whereupon they can imagine their own stories playing across the boats as they are carried in the breeze, floating between the realms of the real and the imagined. These outdoor installations consist of white memory boats containing historic stories on scrolls. The boats are hung from specific trees within the park and are designed to inhabit the space in the community as they gradually fall apart over time, becoming part of the community's memory. As such, these fleeting and ephemeral boats are symbolic containers for the community's memories, and like all memories, they will gradually disintegrate with time, melding into their environment. These boats are hung high within the trees in the hopes that they would reside in the peripheries of sight. Like memories that fleet across our minds, these boats only gather shape and momentum when the viewer pauses and allows the boats to come into focus. Their white hulls are akin to blank sheets of paper, upon which the viewer can imagine their own memories, to imagine their stories and reflections of their journey through life. In essence, the stark whiteness amongst the foliage is like a beacon, in the hopes of illuminating the stories held within the viewer, beckoning for stories and images to be cast upon the hulls, image upon image, memory upon memory, akin to water lapping upon a boat's hull. These new memories are then coupled with the story scrolls each boat carries within its interior. Dreamy, slow, and calm, one can now begin to float in reverie.